In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to tab on this section called Emergency SOS. Now scroll all the way down to select Set up emergency contacts in Health. Before we begin, you need to remember to tap on this switcher next to Show when locked if it's not already on. Without it, your medical ID, including emergency contacts, won't be visible on locked screen. When it's green, scroll to hit Add next to Contacts available here, Emergency Contacts. Finally, to set up yours, tap on Add Emergency Contact and click on the one you wanna set up. Then pick Relationship Status and do exactly the same with all the other contacts you need. If you want to remove any of them, use this button on the left and confirm your choice on the right. To save your emergency contact list, use this checkmark at the top right corner. So now let's check it out. I will switch off my screen, turn it back on, and swipe up to hit Emergency at the bottom left corner. Then Medical ID also at the bottom left corner. And as you can see, my contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!